how much do you think I can sell a pack of this sugar-free coconut candy? But before you suggest a price, hold on a minute. Let me show you how I made it so you can better advise me. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Remy and I make videos from Lagos, Nigeria. Today I'm going to show you how you can make coconut candy without using any sugar. Yes, sugar-free, so simple. Let's get right into making it. For this sugar-free coconut candy recipe, I used 2 medium-sized coconuts which I have removed from the shell and washed clean. The next thing to do now is to grate it using this grater to make it look like have the shape of rice, sort of, as you can see. This wasn't fast enough, so I decided to use this one, which was really fast, but it made it really thin. I didn't like it, so I eventually had to switch back to the first grater I started with, this one. And I am done here grating, and this is what I have. I love this shape, I love this size. Next, I'm going to sprinkle with a little salt and mix. Salt improves taste for almost anything, and for coconut, it is fire. And I'm going to pour everything on this baking tray and spread it out. This will go in the oven on very low heat, say 150 degrees, for about 30 to 40 minutes. You can also do this on the stove top. Just pour the coconut flakes on a dry pan, keep it on low heat, and keep stirring at intervals. Alright, I have here pitted soaked dates. You may be wondering, in place of sugar, what are we going to use? Yes, we're using dates. I already soaked that, so I added that to my blender alongside the water with which I soaked the dates, and I'm going to blend these to a smooth paste. If you're enjoying this video, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to leave me a nice comment. Also subscribe if you haven't done that already. Thank you. So after blending, I thought I could catch some fiber with this sieve, but nothing came out. It was so smooth. Everything was just coming out as it is. So I had to switch to a cheesecloth, which helped me to get out some water. I need the syrup to be very smooth, and this is what I have. And this is the fiber that I got out of it, really small. If you plan to make date paste, you don't have to do this. I just want the syrup to be very smooth, and that's why I chose to sieve with a cheesecloth. The next thing is to transfer this date juice, let's call it date juice for now, into a pot and set on very low heat. Now the coconut flakes is ready and looking good, but let me share with you an important tip. If you don't toast the coconut flakes like this to remove water from it, it is going to introduce water to the syrup. And once there's water, it cannot mold together, so please keep that in mind. I continued to stir the syrup while still boiling on very low heat at intervals till it thickened to what I have here. As you can see, this is not burnt, it is just very thick. You need it to be this thick to hold the coconut flakes together. Next, we add the coconut flakes into the syrup and just stir to combine these till everything is well incorporated. If you find yourself being so worried about sugar in your food, this is a recipe to try because date is healthy, as you know, is a healthy alternative to sugar, and this works so well. Alright, after combining, I put everything on this tray to cool just to the level that my hands can handle. You can oil your hands lightly, but you don't have to. These will not stick to your hand because, of course, as you know, coconut is oily. So I just mold that way with my palm, just to show you that this is very firm and it is not completely cool here. Once it cools completely, it will get even firmer. And that's how you make coconut candy without sugar. This sugar-free coconut candy is so good, so sweet, you have to give it a try. So again, to my question, how much do you think a pack of this should go for? I plan to sell to my sons and I don't want to overprice this so they can keep coming. As it is now, nothing goes for nothing. Alright, thank you so much everyone for watching. Please share your feedback with me and help me like this video. I will see you with another recipe soon. Bye bye.